KeRa, Studio Production. We would like to inform you that all the ingredients used to prepare these delicious dishes can be ordered through our KeRa shop on the eBay website at a very reasonable price without shipping charges. You can easily access my eBay store by clicking on the link in the description. Stay with us, get more videos. I started this to give my customers more information about the products for sale in the online store I run under the name KeRa on eBay. Please click on the link in the YouTube description to view the items for sale. Today we are going to show you how to make capsicum filling curry in the Sri Lankan way. Well, the seeds and the pods must be removed to insert the filling into the capsicum. As shown, capsicum seeds can be removed in this way. Ingredients needed to make capsicum filling: capsicum 500 grams, Maldive fish 150 grams, chopped onion 300 grams, 2 eggs, salt to taste and chili pieces. Well, let's get to work. Add eggs, Maldive fish, chili pieces, salt with chopped onion to make the filling. Mix all this well. Once all of this is well combined, carefully insert the filling we made into the previously prepared capsicum. Insert the filling well as shown. Now we need to put the stuffed capsicum in the gravy. For that, we need a few curry leaves and a piece of rump, as well as the required amount of coconut milk, salt, and chili powder. Put all the stuffed capsicum in a pot, and put curry leaves and a piece of rump in it. Now add chili powder and salt to the coconut milk and mix well. Carefully add the coconut milk mixture to the pot. Then heat the pot over medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. When the gravy is reduced, remove from the heat. This dish is ready. This curry goes well with hot rice. I started this to give my customers more information about the products for sale in the online store I run under the name KeRa on eBay. Special thanks to my loving family who helped make this video. KeRa. More value than the value. Thank you for watching.